Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. I've been asked to do this one because a while back I did a truck rework and I come up with this little bad boy, and this started life as the Italeri Road Warrior truck, and there's a picture, pink, down there, of what it started life as. And I stripped it, decaled it, and I did various wrappings of decals on it, and it's the Terminator 2 truck that I did. And yeah, you've got all the different panels on there around the truck, different Terminators. You've got the lady, I think she was from Terminator 3 actually, so generic Terminator movie clips and artwork and cities and skylines, and you've got the map from Cyberdyne Systems. You've got one of the flying truck things, planes. You've got a big old Terminator on the bonnet there. And then you come around the other side and you got some Arnie action going on. Another Arnie there. Derelict London with some robotic stuff going on there with the Terminator taking over the streets of London. So yeah, this was an interesting little one that I did about 3 years ago now, and I just fancied doing a rework on something and wanted to try the decal printer that the decal printing even that I had started doing, and this was a really good test mule for it, and I was pretty pleased with how it came out. And people that come round to the house and see this in the cabinet, they're quite curious about it as to how I come about wanting to do it this way, and how I went about doing it. And it's one of those reworks I wish I had have filmed, but I'm going to be doing the Italeri Renault Magnum with the 40-foot trailer, and I'm going to do that as the VR Valentino Rossi motorcycle truck. So there's going to be loads of MotoGP references around it and loads of livery and all of that lot, but I shall do the full rework on that, and that will let you guys see how you can do it. So if you want to see it, have a looky look. But yeah, I was quite pleased with how this come out, and it was one of my original decal wrap ideas that I come up with. And all in all, what was a little bit of a dated build and sort of shown signs of its age came out reasonably okay. And again, you know, since I've done this one, I've changed up a few things, and I do things slightly differently with the decal wraps now, because some of the panel lines didn't quite come out how I intended. But for its initial first wrap, I was pleasantly pleased with the end result. And like I say, it's displayed in my lounge, and hopefully that lets you look at some of the things you can do if you want to get into wrapping decals. It's very interesting, it's fulfilling, and you can turn a model into something different and something uniquely you. And yeah, that's what I tried to do on this one. So hopefully you like that. Just a little short video just to show you how it looks, and I'll catch you for the next one. Cheers, bye.